All right, mate. ZEC Barry Silbert coin. So I mean, overall the structure looks fantastic. There's nothing really wrong with this. In a way, in my eyes, it almost reminds me of Link back in the day at the very start, but it'll need some developing. But anyway, see, you can see here, you know, we have 5 days left, and there's a big, large, red, bearish engulfing monthly candle. Now, when you get these, there can be more downside. Well, see this one here. This was a failed move, and see after the failed move, look what happened. You get, you know, 1, 2, 3, 4, and this was a fifth at one point. Large green monthly candles after you get a failed move. Okay, so if we flip open and flip green here, right? Well, we can expect something similar. We can expect a failed move. And what does failed moves do? Well, they create fast moves in the opposite direction. So really need to be on guard for that. But I don't really see the point in trading it until a new month. If it's going to flip green on a new month, you know, you can see this one had a bit of downside to fill the wick, to take liquidity into the wick, and then it popped up and flipped green. That's your ideal situation. That's what you want. You want to see a small bit of downside. As soon as that flips green, you look to be getting long and getting into that. And well, if it's going to be bullish, then obviously then you can sit back and relax. But as for now, to try and buy into the bottom of this red monthly candle with 5 days left, I don't really see the point in that. I think it's best to just wait. You know, nothing wrong here. You can see this bullish engulfing candle, and then we had a big year. Fantastic. There's quite a lot of bullish engulfing candles like this year. I just looked at one there recently. I forget now which coin that was. CLV maybe. But yeah, you know, it wouldn't surprise me to have a third year to the upside. Barry Silbert has put in, I think was it 360 million into this or something. I maybe don't quote me on figures, but I thought I remembered 180 million and then maybe another 180 million or something. But you know, the whales are in this, so it should have good longer term prospects. You can see the daily, you know, it's been fairly choppy. You know, I would probably like it to come back down here somewhere, you know, down here, and then make them moves, and move off that. Again, I would prefer to trade the new monthly candle rather than buying in here, and then even try and buy the dip on the monthly candle. This move down is that dip to take liquidity into the wick of the monthly candle, and then flip up and flip green again. So that's the way I would prefer it.